As an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. Once again, as an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa.
As to put people first, I want you to know that our country right now, or the Philippines, has actually a 215 and 700 cases now as of 2024. And it is an only reminder for us to people to stop hate and we should respect each and everyone. Lagi nating pakakatandaan ang mga taong may AIDS ay hindi kailangan ng awa bagkus isang pag-unawa. Hindi kailangan ng isang pag-uusap bagkus pagtanggap. Because they didn't even like that they are in that situation. Always remember, once we embrace, accept, and understand each differences of individuality, there will be no HIV people that will be left behind. There will be no HIV positive that will cry under their closet because of their status. But the end, each and every one of us will never ever be worthless, but become worthless. Thank you.
As an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. Once again, as an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, to be perfectly honest, this pageant is very close to my heart. 2024 was a tough year for me. At January, I have learned that my student actually suffered from human immunodeficiency virus that he needed to stop his college. The next month, at the month of February, I've actually lost a friend who actually suffered from the same case. And I have seen that it is not actually the virus that killed them, that killed their dreams, but it is the stigma that is happening right now, the discrimination towards them, the hatred towards them, the isolation that comes with the virus. And I believe that this theme this year is actually putting yourself first, loving yourself first. But more than that, I believe that the greatest love that we could give in the world is loving ourselves first. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be the candle of hope as an ambassadress, because I want to enlighten every mind of the
As an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. Once again, as an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa.
Okay. If
Anyway, probably, before you answer that, you will given 60 seconds only to answer. So once you heard a sound, that means that's the end of your time.
Okay. If I would given a chance to be your Miss Ambassadress tonight, I will use my voice to raise awareness in this causes HIV and AIDS, especially our community, LGBT community. And not only the LGBT community and the cis woman and man right here tonight. And I will use my voice to raise awareness, especially the young transgenders. And that would be all. Thank you.
As an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. Once again, as an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa.
It will just boil into two things. Putting people first, kandila ng kalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. It will be the letter E of the ABCDE of AIDS campaign, which is the education. We have to educate a lot of people that HIV is happening, that HIV is a retrovirus, an RNA virus that cannot be sufficed by our DNA virus. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? There is just a letter in the alphabet that we need to know, and that is A, abstinence. You should no have sex at all. And having no sex at all, being responsible enough as a gay, then you are putting the thing into a reality. Always remember this, that your micro health will be a macro effect to each and everyone. And let me end my answer in this Latin saying, it is better to be safe than to rush on Peter's case. It etum petrum patrum. Thank you so much.
All right. As an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa. Once again, as an ambassadress, how will you apply the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial theme for this year? Putting people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa.
Well, I will go direct to the point because I know if I will prolong my answer, it will kill me in the end. Well, I will start it by myself. I will apply it to myself first for me to be able to inspire those people who was listening to me to apply this also to themselves. Lagi po natin tandaan, kung gusto natin maka-inspire ng ibang tao, umpisahan natin sa sarili natin. Paano makikinig ang mga tao nakikinig sa atin kung hindi nila nakikita isang bagay na ginagawa natin sa ating sarili? Lagi po natin naladaan na ang bagay sa ating mundo ay napaka-espesyal. Bigyan mong mahalaga ang iyong buhay mo para lahat ng tao nakikinig sa'yo at nanonood sa'yo, ma-inspire sa buhay mo. Maraming salamat po.